I don't even got my real camera with me. That's tough. That's actually tough. A little bit, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
That's wild.
Another day, another dollar.
Chill.
Nah, I'm not saying it in that way. You just got out of work, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna give it some time. But shit about my real camera, bro.
when I missed the spot,
Yeah.
when I found it.
You are pretty low. I'm not even gonna hold you, bro. That's on springs too.
Watch my fingers.
They settled for sure. Yo. Yo. Oh, bro.
Nah, it's the clip. It's me.
Yo. You just broke that shit. It's a nice ass dude, bro. Makes me miss my type bar. Damn. Can't go wrong. Type bar, Supra. Little walk around. Make sure y'all follow my boy Elijah, bro. This is all for memories too, bro, for when we older, bro. What's good, y'all? Another video. There's supposed to be a meet going on, 7-Eleven meet, so I'm gonna be pulling up with a couple of my boys and we're gonna see how that goes. I didn't have work today, so it kind of worked out. Bad boy. So yeah, as soon as this quiets down, I'm about to go link up with my boys. One of them you've seen on the channel with the static 10th gen Accord. I mean, I said Accord, the Civic. So I'm about to go link up with him and like 2 other buddies, and we're gonna go to the meet. What's that scrape shit every single day, bro?
Who, you?
Nah, this means.
Yes. Bro, I would love to have a static car, bro.
What you mean?
But it gotta be on like.
I like a static car, but like, I don't know, bro.
I need my titties jumping, bro.
Yo. Hey, yo. I don't know how the fuck you do that, bro. God damn. Yo, who's leading?
Hey, you don't want to see if JP wants to.
Man, oh, you rolling up. We ain't leaving no time soon. We're taking a highway? Oh, shit. I don't know who's leading. I'm not. Look how dirty my windshield is, y'all. I haven't washed this car since I got it wrapped. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll wash it tonight. Probably not. I don't think I'm going to drive my car to work tomorrow. I think I drove it today. But I don't think I'm going to drive my car to work. At least not my construction job. I think I'm going to chill out. Leave it parked up. But, I'll see gang. These static boys is dodging potholes. I mean, I'm damn near static too, but I ain't dodging crazy like that. And look, Dylan brought out his EP3 today, yo. For once. What is he? Yo, what the fuck? If this shit could focus, it's just not focusing right now. Look at Dylan really brought the EP3 out. Yo, look who's featured in a vid for the first time ever. Hell yeah. What's up with you? Yo, I don't know how you do it, bro. The static shit.
Big static gang.
Like I ride static, but that's crazy. This is wild. Yo, your brother be swerving like crazy.
The oil pan thing scared him, I think.
Yeah, bro, it be the smallest bump. I'm going over it like this. I see him maneuver that whole shit.
Yo. Just sent it. Oil pan got him.
Yo, how much is gas here?
5.7.
Bro, I spent $6 at the one I went to yesterday. Gave me 70, bro. Scraped. I don't know what this man is scraping. But that shit was bad. Oh, JP down. Yo. Uh-oh. I think he got something stuck. Hold on. I think he got something stuck. I'm not too sure. You can hear him knocking something. I don't know what. That boy's stuck. Let me go see what's up. What the fuck happened?
One of the fucking shields.
Is it good? Oh, I hear that shit. Our gas stations suck. Yo. Got it?
I'm trying to see if I can bend it up at all. If I can bend it up a little bit, we out.
Push up.
We out.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, it was just a cover for the oil.
We're. This boy is crazy. Yo, Dylan, you know you famous, right? Nigga Zay better air up. Look at everybody. This nigga here, bro. Look at everybody right here. Hey, check you out, bro. What's the word, Dave? Poppin', my boy. What's poppin'?
A little too much cutting and swerving on the highway there, man.
Yo, I was trying to get film for y'all, bro.
I see you go like that. I said, alright, cool. That's the type of time we on.
Nah, cool it.
Now it makes sense.
Ain't going. I don't know. I gotta figure out wheels.
I'm selling the way, man. I hate niggas like this,
You
bro.
gotta say I'm parting out, bro.
I hate niggas. What up, baby?
Like it though, for real. Fuck with it.
What's going on?
This nigga here, bro.
What up, what up? You got that, bro. Look at you. You got that, nigga. Bro, no, yeah.
Huh?
This one? Just sport.
I ain't worried about that shit. Just pull up, have a good time. Like get that shop jumping. You see all these people? So you better get the shop going, one boy. NSX? His brother. Yo, Jordan, who's NSX?
I have no clue. Nah, I just can't stop looking at that shit, bro.
No hood?
I don't know where this nigga is.
No hood?
No hood.
Bro, my camera's about to die. Valid. I couldn't really record because my camera was damn near dead. And I don't know how it's even on right now. But your boy's about to head back to the crib. It's a nice little meet. It was chill. It was lit. A lot of nice cars for sure. But your boy got work in the morning. And I want to go home and relax myself. Sound like a old man. Well, god damn, y'all heard that shit. But yeah, my camera's literally about to die